About COMMANDO C2000 series L2 plus switch. Let us see some features. Get the access of the device. Username is admin and password is small letters commando. We'll start with the VLAN feature. In this VLAN feature, we can create 4096 VLAN configurations. So by this we can create VLAN 3, VLAN 2. After applying, we can name those VLAN by editing. We can change the name of the VLAN. We can configure the port to have access membership to that VLAN with advanced VLAN support for better network segmentation. VLANs are based on 802.1q trunk method. We can have the voice VLANs, protocol VLAN, MAC VLAN, surveillance VLAN, and also we are having one-to-one VLAN mapping, basic Q in Q. With guest VLAN we can create with this switch. So we can set the port to have the access to the particular VLAN. We can create the voice VLAN with the priority, protocol VLANs, MAC VLANs, surveillance VLANs like this, and GVRP we can have. We can also see the MAC address table where we can see the connected port MAC addresses of the PCs, laptops, or any networking device which is connected to that switch. We can statically configure a particular port for the MAC address. Also, we can filter some address to have some basic MAC based security. We can have the port security address. We can add some address and we can secure some ports. We are having the features like spanning tree to loop avoid in the network. We are having 3 flavors of spanning trees: STP, RSTP, MSTP, with path cost of long and short. As nowadays the bandwidth has increased more than 1 Gbps, 10 Gbps, 100 Gbps. So we are having both methods included in this. And this is basically to avoid the loop in the network. We can create the MST instances. Then we can have a LLDP like some proprietary protocol. We can discover the neighbors with this open standard protocol. We can have the neighbor information, what is a MAC address, chassis ID, port number which is connected, and all everything, every information we can get with this. We can also set the MED values, and we can also have the packet view of each network. The major function here in this switch is we are having the DHCP. So DHCP is like we can create multiple IPv4 based DHCP pools with multiple DHCP per server for each LAN for individual VLANs. We can also have the IPv4 as well as IPv6 DHCP clients, IPv4 as well as IPv6 DHCP relay option 82, and IPv4 and IPv6 DHCP snooping. These functions are there with this switch. So we can create the pools for the IP address as per requirement. We can have a multiple pools. We can create VLANs and we can assign those multiple pool, group 1, group 2, group 3, like this, by giving the group let us say if we can give this 192.168.0.1 as one pool, and we can have a client attached with this pool of IP addresses which we can set like by adding let us say VLAN 1 pool. We can have the gateways like 192.168 0.1 like that, mask as per our choice.